Hello peeps and hello everyone and hello ACs! Welcome back to my channel na welcome back to Danny Serie Reaction Video. Siyempre sabi ko nga pag ACES, alam nyo na yan, BGYO ang gagawa natin ng chika. Ito ang kanilang performance ng Divine Love on the Wish USA Bus. Okay, sa USA sila nag-perform dito sa Wish Bus. But before we continue this reaction video, if you're on my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell and comment down there. So tignan natin kung anong performance nila dito sa Wish Bus on USA. On USA talaga. Oo, Wish Bus. Live on Wish USA Bus. Oo, yun. So without further ado, let's go sa go. Yeah.
Wish 1075.
Putting it on the table. What we got don't need a label.
Like
an angel. Way that you're looking is straight up. 'Cause girl, you make me see the light. You take me for a ride to the other side. It's like I see heaven in your eyes. I'm thinking God because you're mine. I love you more in every life.
Alam mo ha, eto ha, nakailang gawa na ba ako ng reaction video para sa Divine ng BGYO. Gusto ko talaga ibigay itong kanta na to kay Jello. Hindi ko alam na na i-imagine ko yung kanta parang kay Jello. Kasi ang ganda ang ganda ng falsetto niya, ang ganda ng registration ng boses niya dito. Silang lima, ang ganda ng performance nila dito. Nagko-combine yung mga boses nila. Well executed, pero hindi, to be honest, maganda yung kinalabasan ng kanta para sa kanilang lima, pero iba yung dating nung sa akin nung ni Jello dito, promise. Oh! Go ahead.
On my universe, down on my knees until it hurts. Still pretty to even be from this earth. Girl, you make me see the light. You take me for a ride until the other side. It's like I see heaven in you.
Ang ganda ng boses ko talaga, kinikilig ako. Keep dominate.
Baby, you're so divine. Counting my blessings. Oh, come on, no lessons. Praise answer, no question. My only confession is yours. It's like I see heaven in your eyes. I'm thanking God because you're mine. I love you more.
That's cute. Go ahead.
Wish exclusive on Wish 1075.
Baby, you're so divine.
Alam mo ha, itong Divine ng BGYO na to, lumabas yung cuteness nila, yung kilig factor dito sa boy group na to. And like ang sinasabi, ba't gumagawa ako ng reaction video, silang performance talaga nila, it's very very good. But sometimes may magiging bias ka dun sa song na yon. Yung magkakaroon ka ng bias sa performance na yon. So super enjoy. Kinikilig ako dito sa boses ni Jello talaga, promise. So hello ACs, thank you so much for watching and see you again. Bye!